Okay, I'm going to do the crepe first. It's a spinach crepe with whole wheat flour for the consistency. And we're going to put in the milk, the egg, and with the egg I put the olive oil in there. I'm using light olive oil because it has less of a flavor and less nutritional value as virgin olive oil. But it has a higher smoke point, and this way I don't have that extra virgin flavor in the crepe, which is good. And then we'll put the firmly packed spinach in there. It's so firm I can't get it out. There we go. And the whole wheat flour. Why whole wheat flour? I don't know. I just felt like using it this time. And I guess it's better for you than white flour. And that's one of the reasons. Now we'll hope that this blends. And I'm using a bullet opposed to any other machine. Why? It's small, convenient, easy to clean. You can use your blender, your Cuisinart, and that's it. And we're done. Next I will go over and we will cook them. Now I'm going to make the crepe. Put a little pan in there. And I'm guessing at the amount. Usually I just pour it in, but this time I'm taking a 1/3 of a cup measurer and putting it into the pan and see if that's the right amount. Right now it looks like get around there. Yeah, that was pretty good. Okay, so we got a 1/3 of a cup measurer for a crepe. Get another one ready. So I think this recipe should make about 3.5. Raise the flame just a little. And that's going to be pretty. Now the filling that I'm going to use. So it's spinach, that means it's vegetable. So you can make a vegetable filling if you want it for the crepe. Or you can just fold up the crepe and put them on a plate and just eat them like that. But I'm going to make a little bit of fresh spinach, just chopped up. Mix it with some cottage cheese. Put that as the filling. And then put a little Greek yogurt on the top as if it was sour cream. So, let's see how this crepe is going. Looking good. I could do this with my fingers actually. There you go. Very nice. And then I'll be making, you don't have to see me making the other two, just a waste of video. So now this is just about done. Now using the whole wheat flour is a little heavier than the white flour. But that's good. Flavor, texture is nice. And we have a nice crepe. And the spinach. And the spinach doesn't give off a lot of water because it's mixed in with the flour, which is nice. Why am I doing this? I just like to flip it. Okay, that's done. And this is the filling. I just chopped up spinach, cottage cheese, and diced up fresh pineapple. So, mix this up. And I don't know I think this will just make enough for 2 or maybe 3. You don't have to put a lot, because after I fold it over, I'm going to put some yogurt on top. And that's going to be my breakfast. I'm going to have to put it on half. Yeah, it looks like just enough for 2. Fold it over like so. Fold it over again. Put this on a plate. And of course I'm going to make another one, but you don't have to watch me making that. And I'll put a dollop of yogurt, Greek yogurt, or you could put sour cream. And that's it. You could spread it out. You could put more, you could put less. I'm going to enjoy that. Hope you will too. So I might as well, so I made the other one and then chopped up a little spinach to put it over to make it look good. I hope you enjoy it again.